Superman.
Pop the champagne, people. Okay, take it easy. Hey guys, I'm Jay, the official elected official, and in case you haven't heard, Recreational Bud has cleared committee and is headed towards New Jersey's state legislature, who's estimated to vote on it in 3 to 4 weeks. Great news, right? According to reports, the bills that were passed have doubled in size since made public, so what we're going to do is wait for some trusted analysis before partying too hard. For example, in the very recent draft, they wanted to unionize the industry before it even begins. Now, don't get me wrong, I see the benefits of organized labor and collective bargaining, but unions have a history of being exclusionary and having rampant nepotism. It wasn't but a few years ago, Ross, Newark's mayor, was leading marches down at the docks for those very same reasons. Wait, I've gotten off track. Ultimately, this is a step in the right direction. Props to everyone who has fought this long battle. It's far from won, but every step brings us that much closer. I had to get to the money and couldn't attend the proceedings, so I'm going to leave you in the very capable hands of my colleague, Assemblyman Jamal Holly, who has stepped up in such a huge way that it would really be nice if orgs like the NJUM4R backed off the race angle. We have that portion covered, and it's always best to not oversaturate with such a delicate topic because it only breeds resentment. So, with that being said, thank you so much for putting up with me. Please, internet stuff. Like, sub, share, speak. Fight for 15 is still in the oven, so until the next video, love.
Tell me? I don't need another FBI data to report. I've lived it. It's been hard, but I got lucky. And so I'm saying to all my colleagues who are no, and to all my colleagues who are on the fence, and to thank you to my colleagues who are riding this out with us, that it's more about public policy. It's about people who look like me every single day, who don't have an opportunity to succeed. You're looking at someone who got lucky. And if you are for medical marijuana, you must be for legalization of marijuana. You can't have one or the other because they're both the same. Many of you have campaigned on the access to affordable health care. Guess what? Folks who look like me don't have that access to affordable health care. So as we debate, and I'm a yes vote, I'm willing to take this on the road as we get other members of the legislature to get them to understand this is more about marijuana, because marijuana has been around for a very long time. It has tore up my family. But again, lucky. Lucky is the word I use because I got lucky. But for all of us around this table and those that are not here yet who will vote on this in the future, what I'm saying to you is provide relief. Provide relief for those individuals who look like me, who darn it didn't have a chance in the past because of a drug that was called illegal.